Hey there, quick review on this nice C low profile beach chair. Very nice. Let me show you some of the key features and how it works. Here I've got it deployed, and whenever you want to fold it up, it's just a matter of squeezing the corners together. So you can grab the adjacent corners, just kind of give it a little squeeze, and it'll go right together. It's as easy as that. With the chair, you also do get a carrying bag. So very easy to use that as well, matches the chair. See if we can just kind of feed the feet in there. The bag cinches up on top. It's got a little bungee cord on here, and it does have a nice wide opening for getting the chair in and out. Makes it easy to take it in and out. You do also have a shoulder strap, so if you want to carry this to the beach, it's really easy to just throw that over your shoulder or carry it by your side. A couple of the unique features on this chair: nice durable material here, and then netting here. Gives you some nice airflow, keeps you cool. Your back's not gonna sweat. Also, if you sit down with a swimsuit on that's wet, you've got some drainability there as well. One of the other nice features, there is a cup holder. It's definitely nothing special, but I've reviewed another chair that's very similar to this that did not have any cup holder, so I like that they at least give you something over here to put a can or a bottle of water in. Here we also do have the feet, nice round large profile, so they're not going to sink into the ground or sand too much whenever you sit down. So as you can see, this is a low profile chair, sits very low to the ground, but that's perfect for the beach, ball game, lots of different things. But if you don't like bending over really far and getting back up, this might not be the chair for you. I think it's fantastic, it's comfortable, easy to carry around, not too big, good quality materials. I'd recommend it.